Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today I'm going to show you how to download Trello. And as you can see, I'm in my Trello account and which is their main website. And I think for me, Trello works seamlessly in the website and you don't have to always download the app and use it furthermore. But for today, I'm going to show you how to download it for Windows. So you can use your browser, Chrome or Microsoft Edge. For today, I'm using the Microsoft Edge and just tap on Trello. And as you come to Trello, scroll down until you find Google Play Trello or Trello install on Windows. I'm just going to go from Trello, Microsoft.com. You can also go to File Horse and then download it directly from there, but I think it's much more easier and safer to download from Microsoft Store and just tap on install button from here. Then this small window will come and you have to tap on get. After some time it will be started downloading and you will find this downloaded version of Trello in your download section. And as you can see, it has started the downloaded. And as you can see, it has started downloading. Now we will just wait for some seconds until it is downloaded. And now as you can see, it has been downloaded and it will show you the open button right here. Just tap on open, then tap on continue. You will find these two options here to log in or sign up. So if you have your already created account, then you won't have to just sign up for again. But if you don't have a account on Trello, you can just tap on sign up and then open Trello. For today, I will just log in from Microsoft Edge, continue with Google, and I have already account. Give your password after your Gmail account. Choose your account and tap on allow. Now, as you can see, I have downloaded Trello successfully and this is my app surface and now I will just go to my website version of Trello, which is this. There is a slight difference in the app and the website. Of course, the app runs more smoothly than the website one and it looks more visible and more vibrant than the website one. So you can just download the Trello app and work with your project seamlessly. That's it for today. See you in the next tutorial.